Remote control, or RC, gadgets have been a relentless, charming leisure activity for some individuals throughout the years. The autos can extend in scope from straightforward, handcrafted vehicles to costly, multifunctional manifestations. Building a straightforward RC auto has never been less demanding, on account of the accessibility of modest, scaled-down purchaser pastime hardware accessible at most very much loaded gadgets or leisure activity stores. Those, joined with some essential apparatuses, will enable you to build your own basic RC auto in a matter of minutes. Penetrate two little openings on inverse sides of the card box, opposite each other, not through the top of the crate. The gaps ought to be very little greater than the poles of the engines themselves, to confine vibration amid operation, so utilizing a 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch estimated boring tool should work. Disengage the engine's elastic haggles the engine's poles through the penetrate gaps from inside the case. This implies the body of the engines ought to sit inside the crate with the poles jabbing through the board openings. Mount the engine setup with a piece of two-fold-sided sticky tape underneath every one. Press down solidly to secure the association. Patch the power wires from the battery pack to the power contributions of the two-channel remote recipient, positive to positive and negative to negative. Patch the wires from the engines to the yields of the radio beneficiary, positive to positive and negative to negative. Place the battery pack and radio beneficiary into the card box deliberately, and secure them set up with more portions of two-fold-sided sticky tape. Join the elastic wheels to the projecting shafts, and test your development with your remote control. Your RC auto ought to have the capacity to hurry along on its two wheels forward and in reverse, and turn left and right. Tip: without another arrangement of wheels, one end of the container will drag along the ground. While this isn't an issue for the spunky little 9-volt DC engines, it can be outwardly unappealing. Consider including a free pivoting two-wheeled hub to the contrary end of the container on the off chance that you need to make a four-wheeled RC vehicle.